Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is Aquarium Heater. So this is a specific one we needed for our small brand new aquarium that we've got. So our aquarium's around 10 litres. So we've ordered the weakest one that we could find. So we purchased this one from Amazon. It's a 25-watt heater. As you can see, this is the ranges. The bigger the tank, the more heating you need. And if you look at the bottom of the box, if you ever needed to understand, you can get this off the internet, but it tells you roughly how much heat you need for the size of your aquarium. So with my aquarium, it's a 10 litre, so I need around half the wattage of this. But the good thing about this one is you can adjust the heating, so it should counterbalance that. So let's just look around the box. As I've showed you here, it indicates which one you've purchased, and it gives you an indication of what strength you would need. On the other side, as you can see, it is waterproof. It works for tropical fish and fresh marine. It has a temperature adjuster. It also shows the temperature, and it uses high quality quartz tube. So they give you examples of how you can install it into the water. So it shows you can put it upright, you can put it on an angle, you can also put it down flat, and it says not to put it halfway above the water as you'll lose a lot of heat, and heat will dissipate out quite quick. So let's just open it up. So I purchased this for around £9 from Amazon, same day delivery. You can also get the next day depending on what time you order it. Quite hard to get my hands in, there's a lot of pieces. It's wedged all in. There's the plug. Try not pulling on the heater when pulling it out, you don't want to damage any part of the heater. And there's the heater itself. So obviously the higher the wattage you get, the bigger the tubing. And I think that's about it. And a manual. So let's just see. Oh, it came in foam to protect it, which is good. So once we have it all out, let's just check what we get. So you get these are suction mounts. You stick these onto the glass, and what they do, they clip on either side of the tube, and they allow you to put the heating upright. And then you get this goes at the end to close it off so it doesn't get damaged. And then looking at the heater itself, as you can see here, you get indicator, you get it in Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it shows the temperature, so you can control that using the knob above. Then right at the bottom here you get the metal coils, and obviously because there's metal and there's electricity flowing through it, if you do crack the glass you need to bin this or you will electrocute your fish. At the back it just says the type of heater it is, and it's IP-608 water resistance, which is good. Obviously you get this nice rubber textured top, and you get the dial right at the top to twist. It's quite hard to twist, but it does twist. For 10 quid, if it works, it's great. Feels nice and sturdy. So a little bit of important information when installing one of these. You need to make sure that, depending on the size of the tank, you need to get the correct one, or you won't heat the tank correctly. If you do decide to put it upright, the best place to put it is near where the air filter is, so where the water is being pumped out, because that would distribute the heat a lot better. The best option is to keep it flat on the ground like this. That disperses the heat around the tank a lot better, so you get a better coverage and you get heat flowing. Because of these type of heaters, they have an auto shut off once they hit the correct temperature, and the water is the correct temperature. So if you have it on one side of the tank and it warms up, and it will just shut off, which means the other side of the tank will stay cold. So hence why you need to either keep it near the air filter to pump the water continuously so the temperature doesn't set, or you put it flat on the ground somewhere near the center so that it distributes correctly. And last thing is, make sure this is fully submerged in the water. So guys, if you like this video, please like and sub. What I'll do is I'll do a follow-up video showing you this placed in the tank, where I've placed it, and I'll show you all the other things that I've installed as well.